Prime Minister Narendra Modi today flagged off 5 new Vande Bharat trains of the country from Rani Kamal Lapatti railway station in Bhopal. India summoned a senior diplomat of the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi and lodged a strong protest against the recent attack on Sikh community members in Pakistan. Monsoon has covered nearly 80% of the country as most of the parts are witnessing heavy rainfall. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval met the top leadership of Oman yesterday and discussed ways to strengthen the bolster cooperation in economy, technology, security and regional stability. In football, India will take in Kuwait in the last Group A game of the SAF Championship at the Sri Kanti Rawat Stadium in Bengaluru today. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m.